Hey guys, it's Shea Lee with your weekly entertainment news. It was announced this week that actor Sanjay Dutt has been diagnosed with stage 4 lung cancer. The actor is headed to the US for immediate treatment. Earlier this week, Sanjay was in Mumbai's Lilavati hospital after complaining about shortness of breath. He was then tested for COVID-19, which came out negative, after which cancer analysis tests were conducted and revealed the lung cancer diagnosis. Last Tuesday, Sanjay had announced on social media that he was taking a short break for medical treatment and that he would be back soon. We here at Showbiz India wish the actor all the best and a speedy recovery.
Salman Khan is set to take the Tiger franchise forward with Aditya Chopra, and it will be the most expensive film to date. The latest news is that Tiger 3 is all set to begin production. The script is apparently the most exciting in the franchise so far, and it is all set to begin shooting in February of 2021 for 8 months since it's been planned to be shot in multiple countries. Salman feels the lockdown has gotten him in the best shape of his career, and after a 7-month break from set, he's excited to begin work. As of now, he has some work left on his film Radhe, which he will complete in November, after which he will move on to the Tiger film. In 2018, Priyanka Chopra Jonas had announced that she was working on her own memoir. Titled Unfinished, the memoir was to be a collection of personal essays, stories, and observations published by Penguin Random House India. The book will also be simultaneously published in the US by Ballantine Books. This past week, the actress revealed that she has finished writing the memoir and that the book will be honest, funny, spirited, bold, and rebellious. She says that she has always been a private person, but now she is ready to share her feelings during her journey and hopes that her story will inspire people, especially women, to change the conversation and shatter the glass ceilings. Kareena Kapoor and Saif Ali Khan have said in a joint statement that they're expecting their second child. The couple has a 3-year-old son together, Taimur Ali Khan. Quote, "We are very pleased to announce that we are expecting an addition to our family. Thank you to all our well-wishers for their love and support."
Kareena will next be seen opposite Aamir Khan in Lal Singh Chadda, and Saif's next projects include the Amazon Prime show Dilli and films Bhoot Police and Bunty or Bubbly too.